All right, imagine you're working a job, right? And one of your coworkers, he's a total kiss ass. He starts coming in during the day and the night, and he's consistently putting out work. It doesn't matter if it's under the blazing sun or the freezing cold, he doesn't even complain. Now, I'm not talking about a real person, I'm talking about a robot, a humanoid robot. And now Boston Dynamics has come out with Atlas. This is the next generation of humanoid robot. So, here's a question we're all thinking. Is this going to replace workers and manual labor? Definitely not in the next few years, but maybe sooner than we think. It's about 6 feet tall and it has 56 joints of rotational freedom, which lets it move in ways a human couldn't, like breakdancing. It doesn't complain about the extreme weather or heat. It can survive in temperatures of 4 degrees or up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And does it lift, bro? Well, it can pick up 66 pounds pretty regularly. And the craziest part is it can work around the clock. It'll take out its battery and put it in the charger and then pull it back in. Boston Dynamics, you might know of it because Google purchased it before and also had some crazy videos with robots back in the day. But now car giant Hyundai has purchased the company for $880 million. This is back in 2022. Now this company, Hyundai, plans to build 30,000 robots a year in the US. It's a robot that doesn't complain, can work in challenging conditions and around the clock. Are we cooked? Are we cooked right now? Well, Atlas is equipped with DeepMind AI, which means even though now it's doing stuff in the automotive industry, it can learn new tasks pretty quickly. It can learn with a human operator who trains it to do things, and will eventually learn the task on its own, which means it's poised to work in many settings. But progress is slow. Hyundai is not planning to use it in production until 2028, or at least that's what they say. Now, I'm interested in what you think. You think this thing will take your job? Is it a good or bad thing if it does? And more importantly, can you take it in a fight?